How to sign up as a DoorDash Dasher by step. So the first thing that you would need to do is install this particular application, which is called DoorDash Dasher. So this is not the regular DoorDash. You would need this particular application. After installing this, you can simply open it, and in here, if you do have your DoorDash account, you can simply continue as that one, or else you can tap on use another account and go with the further process of signing up for a DoorDash account. So if you already have your regular DoorDash account, you can simply sign in with that account just like this. So after signing it, there will be further requirement of adding down your first legal name and your last legal name, and also selecting your country code and writing down your zip code. So here you can see, write your first name. If you don't have your legal middle name, you can select that option and write in your last name. So after doing that, select your country code and write in your zip code, then tap on continue. After doing that, there will be the further process of DoorDash asking for your documentation. So make sure to add in all of that documentations. After completely adding all of the required information and documentations, you will be able to submit it to DoorDash. If you are eligible, DoorDash will actually hire you as a DoorDasher, and like that, you'll be getting an account. So all you need to do is simply open this particular application, log into your account, and like that, you'll successfully become a DoorDash Dasher in no time, and that's it.